Welcome back. Jasper has specific recipes that you can use in order to create certain kinds of content. And if you click on this recipes area on the left side menu, you're going to see various recipes that you can use in order to give Jasper commands that you can follow. For example, we can click Open Recipe for a blog post. What you're going to see are certain commands that you can use to tell Jasper how to write your blog posts. It's a good idea to watch the entire instructional video in order to use the AI to write the specific aspect that you are attempting to write. When you get to the recipe, you can save it. You can also run the recipe inside of a document. And when it comes to recipes, one of the things you'll want to be aware of is that recipes can only be used in what's called the boss mode of Jasper. And so you will need to have an upgraded account in order to have access to the commands as well as the recipe feature in order to put them inside of your document. So again, we're going to click on Open Recipe, and then we're going to click on the Run command for this blog post recipe. You will then see specific commands that you can give Jasper in order to help you to write your blog post. We can change the topic to what we want to write about. So we're going to hit the cursor button, and what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this area. We are then going to hit the Control Enter button, and then Jasper will do what we ask it to do. We can then take this content and we can place it in the article brief area. We can determine what kind of voice we want to write in, and if we have specific keywords, we can write them in. And what we're going to do is we're going to put specific information in to the recipe so that Jasper knows what to write. What we're going to do is we're going to highlight the command, and we're then going to click Control, then Enter. And you'll then see that Jasper has executed your command. So basically, what you're going to do with a recipe is you're going to use each piece of the recipe. You are going to add in the subject that you want Jasper to execute the command about, and then you're going to hit Control Enter to get that output. You can then save this document however you want by renaming it. You can then exit the document. You can then take your document. You can then move it to the area that you want it to be.